Hello everybody. Welcome to La Kafuri Beauty School, brought to you by VintageHairstyling.com, your one-stop online shop for all of your vintage hair needs. I am Lauren Reynolds. I'm going to show you just a quick tutorial on a really basic barrel curly hairstyle. So let's get started. The beginning of this hairstyle is a basic curling iron Bricklay pattern. And then the top section is rolled in a barrel curl, all going one direction. I apologize if all of this seems really schizophrenic. I threw this together really quickly. That is not her hair smoking, that is product. I generally do that all the time. I get myself in a position where I left something way too far away for me to grab. This time it was my pin curl clips. Just rolling straight down, keeping the curling iron parallel to the floor. You want to keep your sections parallel to the floor. Oopsie. I ruined her hair. Too much bleach. Okay, on this last section, this bit right here, a little horseshoe shaped piece, right in between the peaks of the two eyebrows, we're going to curl this a little different. You're going to take pie shaped sections out, 3 of them. Pie slice number 1, pie slice number 2, and there you go. So you got 3 pie shapes. We're going to barrel curl each of these in the same direction. We are going to get started on brushing out. We are going to take out just the clips for the main part of the Bricklay, not the clips for these 3 little pie-shaped curls up on top. Getting those curls out of the way. I don't want to accidentally pull them into while I'm brushing this bottom part. And this is where we brush the hair into submission. She's a little staticky from being dry. Give her a little oil. Then we're going to use a teasing and smoothing brush. You're just going to take sections and back brush just a little bit, just to lock all the hair together. Just back brush underneath. Smooth a little bit, but not too much. A little bit of light hairspray. Take another section. Sorry, back brush. And And then connect those two sections together. And another section. Last section. Back brush a little bit. So the girl doesn't want to go where I want it to go, which is a reality we all deal with. The curl that doesn't want to go the way you want it to go. I think that's going to be the name of my book. My biography. Okay, so that's just the basic brush out for the lower section. I used a larger barrel curling iron on her, so her curls are a little bit bigger. If you use a smaller curling iron, you would obviously get a little tighter curl with a little smaller wave to it. Now, taking out the top 3 barrel curls out of their pin clips. Give these a little good brush. Spray a little oil on this too. Again, her hair's pretty dried out. Gives a little bit of shine and a little less frizz. You're going to use the teasing and smoothing brush. First, we're going to tease about the top 2 inches of hair. Right at the base, we're just going for some height right here. And it's going to help hold the base of the 3 curls together. You're going to keep teasing up. So you're going to get kind of like a solid mass. See that? Smooth over just a little bit, not too much, because you don't want to brush out the mass in the center. Then you get that nice bend in the hair as the hair breaks. What I like to do at this point, once I've got this break where I want it to be, I add in some bobby pins. It will help keep gravity from pulling this down throughout the day. So I will just hide bobby pins. Then you have more staying power for your beautiful little peekaboo. There she is. Simple barrel curl wave pattern.